All right, welcome back. Lots been happening even in the commercial break, and it's very interesting because although the numbers clearly suggest that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to come back for the third term, but it seems that the pitch for the opposition leaders is also increasing, isn't it, Pratibha? Nitish Kumar for PM, the chorus is growing. Rahul Gandhi for PM, the chorus is growing. This was similar confusion that happened even before the elections when the India Alliance was
Absolutely, and look at that. The JDU says Nitish Kumar should be the Prime Minister. This is a retirement. The BJP in itself does not have the numbers. It does not have the simple majority, so they are dependent on these allies, including the JDU. Sanjay Raut, meanwhile, saying Rahul Gandhi should be the Prime Minister. Posters have started coming up for Akhilesh to become the Prime Minister as well, looking at what has happened in Uttar Pradesh. Reactions coming in with these numbers that have trickled in. The fight for the prime ministerial post begins. Listen into this reaction.
First reactions.
नीतीश कुमार जी से बेहतर कौन हो सकता है प्रधानमंत्री? तो नीतीश कुमार एक सीजन और बहुत बेहतर पॉलिटिशियन है जो समाज को समझते हैं, देश को समझते हैं और अपने डेमोक्रेटिक इंस्टीट्यूशन जितने हैं उनकी इज्जत करना और डेमोक्रेटिक तरीके से आगे बढ़ना। लेकिन बहरहाल हम लोग एनडीए अलायंस में हैं अभी और ये सब इस वक्त कहने की बात नहीं है, लेकिन नीतीश कुमार पहले भी थे, लोग चाहते थे कि वो प्रधानमंत्री बने, आज भी लोग चाहते हैं और मुझे लगता है कि इस रिजल्ट के बाद उनसे उम्मीदें लोगों को ज़्यादा बढ़ी।
Well, Shivani is with us right now. Shivani, what's happening? Because right now, even as we speak, the numbers clearly are in favor of the NDA. At least it seems that the Prime Minister, Narendra Modi, will be coming back for his third term as PM. But the opposition is already voicing Nitish Kumar for PM, Rahul Gandhi for PM, Akhilesh Yadav for PM.
See, the hopes of the opposition are quite high, Amita, and with the numbers that they have gained, they are seeing and looking forward to form a government. And for that matter, they've already started strategizing, in fact, being in touch and making offerings to the leaders of the people in the alliance with the NDA, including Chandrababu Naidu and also Nitish Kumar. And Nitish Kumar's party's voices are quite clear now. We can see how these statements are now coming up. Earlier, we had shown our viewers how the offers have been made by Sharad Pawar to Nitish Kumar to become the Deputy Prime Minister when he comes to power with the India bloc. And now the people inside the JDU are also claiming the same. They say that Nitish Kumar deserves to be the Prime Minister. He is a seasoned politician. He values the democratic institutions. And why not? And even as we were telling our viewers through our sources that the offers have been made, that Nitish Kumar has not refused to do these offers, Amita. So as we were saying that politics is full of possibilities, we cannot.
So Nitish Kumar is always keeping cards close to his chest. This is something that he is known for, and that's the reason why the BJP will also be jittery. But there are varied reactions coming in. Remember, the dig that the BJP has been taking time and again at the India bloc is that there will never be any consensus. And while there are some who say that yes, Nitish Kumar, JDU leaders saying Nitish Kumar should be the Prime Minister, no one better than him. There are others as well. Listen into some reactions that are coming in from the India bloc as well. Here's what Omar Abdullah has said.
डिप्टी पीएम का ऑफर किया है, अब अगर किया है तो किया है। फिलहाल तो मुझे लगता है हमें जोड़ तोड़ की हुकूमत नहीं करनी चाहिए, हमें जोड़ तोड़ की सियासत नहीं करनी चाहिए। प्री पोल अलायंसेस जो रहे हैं, मेरा अपना मानना है कि प्रेसिडेंट राष्ट्रपति साहिबा को प्री पोल अलायंस के तौर पे जो है अपना फैसला करना चाहिए।
All right, Omar Abdullah seems to be, quite unsure when it comes to the position of Nitish Kumar. We have Pradeep Datta with us, but Dr. Patel, what is your assessment so far? Of course, you're all brimming and smiling today, sir. The PM face hasn't been decided. We are told that deputy PM faces are also doing the rounds, sir. Who will be the PM now? And is there any offer that has gone across to your former allies?
There is definitely to smile today, because if you see the results, what were expected from the exit polls have really been reversed for Bharatiya Janata Party. I am from Gujarat and the home state of Gujarat. The Prime Minister was saying that we are making hat-trick of all 26 seats. But I would like to congratulate Gyanibhen Thakur from Banaskantha that she had defeated Bharatiya Janata Party candidate and she had won. I would like to congratulate every voter of Banaskantha that they have selected a good representative of people. Now it comes to the Prime Minister. as we see that the 272 magic figure has not yet been crossed. So definitely there is no clear majority on the floor for Bharatiya Janata Party. Honorable Prime Minister has to first resign, and whenever invited by the Honorable President, he has
But
to
Dr.
prove
Patel,
on the
is
floor
that
of
what you're
the
celebrating?
Parliament.
You're
If
saying,
he is
look
not
at
able
that,
to
in
prove
Gujarat,
on the
out
floor
all
of
the
Parliament,
seats, one has
kindly
been
may
lost
complete.
by
Let me
the
complete.
BJP. Is that what you're celebrating? That's the question I want to ask you, because there are a lot of celebrations happening in the Congress camp. Are you celebrating the fact that, oh, look at this, out of 26, one has been won by the Congress party, the BJP couldn't get all 26?
Let me complete. Let me complete. If Honorable Prime Minister is not able to prove his majority on the floor of the House, then it is Congress who will be getting the opportunity as per the constitutional right, the second largest party on the floor. Now, regarding how we celebrate, because Bharatiya Janata Party was claiming that in Gujarat every seat they will win by 5 lakh margin. Now, instead of that, one seat is won by the Congress, and that is out of 26. So that is the point of celebration, because we are not
One
allowed
seat,
BJP
sir, one
and the home
seat.
state of Prime Minister to make a hat-trick of 26.
Let me
4 जून 2024 ये तारीख भारत का भविष्य तय करने जा रही है।
4 जून नरेंद्र मोदी हिंदुस्तान के प्रधानमंत्री नहीं रहेंगे।